The bus should be coming in a minute. All right. Oh, what's up, y'all? Domino here. All right. So I'm live on St. Bernard Avenue. Okay. Yep. All around here. St. Bernard Avenue. You know. Here's the rest of Columbia Park with the trees and things in the way. You know. Trees and everything. You know. About to go and I know y'all see the sun shining and stuff like that, you know. Uh-huh. Live streaming on St. Bernard Avenue. Alright. Alright, so as I was saying, y'all, I'm okay and stuff like that. Getting ready to go take a ride and stuff like that. Ride around and stuff. Everything will be good, you know. Uh-huh. Live on St. Bernard, you know. Alright, so the thing is, y'all, I'm gonna be I'm gonna be doing this and doing that, okay? Right here on St. Bernard Avenue. If you're not familiar with New Orleans, you know, look all around on St. Bernard Avenue, okay? All right, so anyway, all I'm saying, y'all, I'll be cool, I'll be good and stuff like that, you know. Just out here riding and stuff and chilling, okay? All right, so in case y'all wonder, Skullduggery, I don't know if y'all ever heard of Skullduggery, but he passed away day before yesterday, you know. May he rest in peace, you know. Well, June the 5th though. The rapper from No Limit, you know. Yep, the rapper from No Limit, he passed away June the 5th, you know. 2022. May he rest in peace, you know. Mm-hmm. Yep. As far as that, y'all, life is too short. Everybody dying, you know. Uh-huh. Some people be like, they don't care how short life is or whatever, you know. That's how some people is, you know. Okay. So, about to go walk to this bus stop again, to another stop, and then, and I'll see y'all later, all right? Bye.